Hey guys, welcome to another one of my quick videos. Today I wanted to show you my Harvest Right medium-sized black freeze dryer. I actually got this freeze dryer about a year or so ago to help me build my long-term food storage on the food that my family actually eats, rather than being stuck with the limited food types you get from ready-packed storage food. Once I learned how to use it, not only has it been a phenomenal addition to our food prep, but the kids and I also have a lot of fun trying to make all kinds of different freeze-dried foods and treats. So far, we have freeze-dried various fruits and vegetables, some different proteins like meats or eggs, as well as some different candies as well. One thing I like about using the Harvest Right freeze dryer compared to other food preservation methods like canning or dehydrating is that the freeze drying process is designed to lock in the food's flavor, texture, and all the nutrients to keep it all intact while we are preserving our food. Once you learn how to use and maintain the machine, it is actually quite simple to operate. When you first turn on the machine, it will take about 15 minutes or so to cool the chamber. Once it is all cooled, we can then put our pre-frozen food inside. Today, I am running some eggs that I already pre-froze in little plastic baggies. I then want to make sure that the door is completely sealed, and then I'll press continue right here and then let the machine do its thing. Once the entire process is done and the food is completely dry, I will then take it out and finish processing and packaging the food from there. This is what my finished product looks like after freeze drying my eggs. So once it's done and completely dry, I just ran it through like a food processor, or you can also use a spice grinder, basically to turn it into powder like this. And then if you wanted to reconstitute it, one egg is just equal to like 2 tablespoons of this plus 2 tablespoons of water. So that's what I have right here. I actually chose a medium-sized freeze dryer, which was perfect for my family, but it does come in different sizes like small and large, so it depends on what you need. One thing to keep in mind is that the freeze dryer is quite heavy, so be very careful when you're moving it in place. And it might be good to have 2 people to help carry and position it safely. Overall, it has been a valuable addition for my food prep, and it has definitely been well worth the investment for our family. So if you're looking for ways to preserve your favorite foods or treats, either for long-term storage or for fun snacks, then a machine like this could be very useful.